Good morning students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.5 8th question third point. So see, given three function is given f of x, g of x and h of x. Then we want to show that f compositions of g composition h is equal to f compositions of g composition h. This we want to show that. Okay. For that you see it is an associative property. This we want to show. So see, for the solution, first given function you should write. Given function f of x is x minus 4, g of x x squared, h of x 3x minus 5. Then we want to show that f composition g of composition h is equal to f compositions of g composition h. First you choose LHS side. First bracket what is there? F composition g. So that want to find f composition g is equal to f composition g of x. So this we can change it as f of g of x. Now f of g of x, the function g of x is x squared. Then this where want to substitute function x squared, you should substitute the function f. So function f is x minus 4. So instead of x, you substitute x squared. So x squared minus 4 you will receive. So f of x squared answer is x squared minus 4. Next whole function you want to find. So f composition g of composition h. This we can write it as f composition g of compositions of h of x. So this we can change f composition g of h of x. Okay, remove the composition and write h of x. Now, what is the function of h of x? You see, f composition g of h of x function is 3x minus 5. Now, 3x minus 5, where want to substitute? Function f composition g want to substitute. Function f composition g is x square minus 4. So, instead of x place, you substitute 3x minus 5. So, 3x minus 5 to the whole square minus 4. Okay. So instead of x, you should substitute 3x minus 5 to the whole square minus 4. This you should expand means. So expand a square, a minus b to the whole square. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. This minus 4 right as it is. Now 3 squared is common for both also. So 9x squared, 3 squared means 9. 9x squared minus 5, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 30x plus 25 minus 4. So now simplify and write this is equation 1. So 9x squared minus 30x plus 21. This is equation 1. Okay, so LHS over. Next RHS. RHS first what is their function? G composition h. So G composition h we can write it as G composition h of x. So this we can change G of h of x. G of h of x. Now G you write h of x function is 3x minus 5. H of x function is 3x minus 5. Now in this 3x minus 5 where want to substitute? Function g want to substitute. Function g is x square. So instead of x place you substitute 3x minus 5 to the whole square. 3x minus 5 to the whole square. Okay. Then these values we want to substitute. Next whole f compositions of g composition h. This is equal to f compositions of g composition h of x want to write. Okay, this we can change it as f of g composition h of x. G composition h of x. Okay, now this value we know g composition of h of x value will be 3x minus 5 to the whole square. Okay, that you write. This where want to substitute? Function f want to substitute. Function f is x minus 4. So instead of x place you should write this. So 3x minus 5 to the whole square minus 4. function f minus 4 is a minus 4. Now this want to expand means the same a squared minus 2 into a into b minus plus b squared minus 4. So now squared is common for both also. So 9x squared, 3 squared means 9. 9x squared minus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30x plus 25 minus 4. So this we can change it as 9x squared minus 30x plus 21. So this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2 you check. Therefore from 1 and 2 F compositions of G composition H is equal to F of G composition H. It is equal. Okay. So hence the associative property. This only we want to show. So we have received that answer. Next see 9th question. Let F is minus 1 comma 3 then 0 comma minus 1 and 2 comma minus 9 be a linear function from z to z. That means integers to integers. Then find f of x. So the function f of x we want to find. Linear function we want to find. For that you see solution. Already we know that the linear function. Okay. Now you see solution. First given you should write. Given f is minus 1 comma 3 0 comma minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 9 be a linear function from z into z, integer to integer. So we know that linear function y is equal to ax plus b. Okay. So you want to choose the linear function y is equal to ax plus b. Now you see in this function already first value will be x, next value will be y. Okay. So in that function you choose first. Put x is equal to minus 1 means y is equal to 3. Yes. Y is equal to 3 from that function. X is equal to minus 1 means y is equal to 3. So you substitute in this equation 3 is equal to a of minus 1 plus b. So you will get a into minus 1 minus a plus b is equal to 3. You consider this is equation 1. Okay. Then next from the function put x is equal to 0 means y you will receive minus 1. Y you will receive minus 1. You substitute in this equation minus 1 is equal to a of 0 plus b. So now minus 1 is equal to a into 0, 0 plus b. Okay, plus b. Therefore, here 0 plus b, b. Here minus 1 is equal to b. Therefore, b answer we received minus 1. So b minus 1 substitute in equation 1 means equation 1 is minus a plus b is equal to 3. So minus a minus 1 is equal to 3. So minus 1 that side go means minus a is equal to 3 plus 1. Okay. So now you should add minus a is equal to 4. Now we need a variable want to get positive. This implies both the side multiply minus 1 means a you will receive minus 4. A you will receive minus 4. B you received minus 1. Therefore the linear function y is equal to ax plus b. So instead of a you substitute minus 4x plus b value is minus 1. So you will receive minus 4x plus into minus minus 1. This equal to linear function. So y is equal to minus 4x minus 1. So given according to given function we received as a linear function. Y is equal to minus 4x minus 1. That's all. See next 10th question. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of T is called linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle is given by C of AT1 plus BT2 is equal to A of C of T1 plus B of CT2, where A, B are constants. Then we want to show that the circuit C of T is equal to 3T is linear, we want to show. Okay, so for that you see solution. Firstly given the function C of T is linear circuit. Okay, so now here we want to show that C of T is okay, C of T is equal to 3T is linear. The function is linear, we want to show that. Okay, we want to show. For that it is given, we want to choose, it is a linear circuit, means we will choose C of T is equal to 3T. This itself we will choose whether it is a linear or not, we will check. Okay, now C of T is equal to 3T. So using this result we will bring the superposition, means this result we will bring means sure C of T is linear only. Okay, so like that we will prove. Now for that, here put, instead of T you want to substitute AT1. So instead of T you want to substitute AT1, means C of AT1 is equal to 3 times of AT1. Okay, so instead of T you want to substitute AT1. Next put, instead of T is equal to BT2. So you should substitute, means C of BT2 is equal to 3 of BT2. Okay, so this you will get. Now this both you should add 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2. Now this left hand side add C of AT1 plus C of BT2 is equal to 3AT1 plus 3BT2. So LHS you separately add and RHS separately you should add. So now you are adding this. So left hand side you should see what is common. C is common. So C you are taking outside. AT1 plus BT2 you will get. Yes, this equal to, now this we can write it as, right hand side we can write it as A, you write like this, first A first, next 3T1 bracket inside you write 3T1 like that, plus B 3T2 you should write. Okay, now so according to given that, this we can write it as it is. Now C of AT1 plus BT2 is equal to A of 3T1, we can write it as, okay, yes, C of T is equal to 3T. Yes, so instead of 3T1 means we can write it as C of T1. So C of T1, this we can write it as 3T1, we can write it as C of T1 plus B. Okay, we can write it as next B of 3C2, we can write it as C of T2. Okay, how? Because here since C of T is equal to 3T. Okay, since C of T is equal to 3T only, we are receiving C of T1, C of T2. So using this result we received this result. Therefore using this result we got its superposition principle, it satisfies. Therefore superposition principle is satisfied. Okay, satisfied. Therefore hence C of T is equal to 3T is linear. When I substituting here C of t is equal to 3t, then we are received C of t1 plus B C of t2 left hand side, and we received a superposition principle of right hand side. So using this result only we received this result, so that it is linear only we can receive this result. Further, therefore C of t is linear. So this only we want to show, so we have received that answer. That's all.